Okay, so this is the practice for 7C, filtering data. So basically, filtering data means you are filtering, meaning you want to make it smaller. You want to only look at the data that you want to see. Okay, so let's go to the exercise. This is 7C practice. Okay, so in order to filter, number one, you need to select the data first. Okay, once you select the data, then you go to Home, go on the sort and filter, and then you can have a filter. Okay, so you filter, it will show this shape. In this shape, right, you will actually get to see this little button, right? And then you can actually sort by or filter certain things. So you can filter by some of the things that is here. Okay, let's look at the question. The question here says, how many students score more than 50 marks? So you go back and you click on this little button, and then you have a number filter. So just now was more than 50. So it's actually greater than 50. And that's it. And then click OK. See, it only filters or it selects the data that is only more than 50. So how many people are there? There are actually 3 students who scored more than 50. If you want to do a filter search also, you can actually look at this number. You see, how many people are there in 50? So I can actually, if you want to clear the filter, right, what you need to do is you click clear filter from test score and you clear this. You can even do this, okay? So you scroll down and you look how many people have more than 50 marks. So it's 1, 2, and 3. This is actually a list of all the data you have. Okay? So I can do this as well. I can actually click 56, 69, and 80, and then I click OK, which is actually the same way as how I showed you just now. Okay, so then we go back to, let's clear the, or we can select all, or we can clear, and then it goes back to normal. Let's look at the question once again. Another question. How many students' test score are empty? If it's empty, meaning to say there's nothing in the data under test score. So you can create that filter again. And in this case, you can create a number filter. You can actually put, okay, because there's no number, so you can't. So you scroll down and you look at the word blanks. So I will uncheck everything and only check for those that are blank, meaning to say there's nothing in that cell. And there are actually how many students? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of them. Okay, so I will clear my filter again and I will continue doing for the next question. How many students score 20 marks and above? 20 marks and above, so I go back to that filter and I will do a number filter. So 20 marks and above, meaning to say it is greater than or equal to 20. 20 marks and above, right? 20 marks and above. So we will go back and see. So that includes 20 marks as well. So how many people are there? Then you can count. You can make a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 of them. But you can actually do a count using your Excel and see whether it counts for you. And it shows 18 here. So there are 18 of them. Okay, then you go back again and you clear. In case you don't want that filter, select everything and just unselect the filter button. So once again, you can actually select the data. Number one, select the data, go on the home, on your right hand side, sort and filter, and you just want to do a filter. Okay, so the questions next are easy to do. So you can actually just filter for absent and what function can be used to find the answers from A to D. So you can actually use the filter function. Okay, so it's a filter feature or the filter function.